Hey guys. So today's my last day of high school. I just realized I look horrible right now and it's really early and I need to wake up. So let's go get ready and I'll talk to you guys later on. I haven't done my makeup for school in the actual longest time. I just am way too lazy in the morning and it's like, do I really care that much? Not really. Today I want to look a little presentable because I feel like everyone's gonna be taking pictures and I'm vlogging and it's like my last day of high school, so like why not put a little effort, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna do a time lapse right now and go. Okay, all done. Now you guys get to see my killer uniform. Our shirts say senior on it. We're pretty much the real deal. Well, this is my uniform. I've been wearing this since I was in 7th grade, so this is really weird that this is the last day I'm gonna ever be wearing it. Okay, I'm getting all sentimental. I'm gonna go now. Okay, now that I'm awake, I want to chat with you guys. I don't know if I'm like happy or sad. Does that make sense? I'm gonna be really late to school, by the way. Late on her last day. It feels so weird to be going to a totally different place for college, clearly, but it's just like I feel like I'm moving on with my life and it's just very like weird and I don't know. I'm really excited to graduate. I am, but it just feels like weird that I'm moving on with my life and like this. Like, I never thought I'd actually graduate. Like, I knew I'd graduate, but it just feels like it happened really quick. This sweater definitely is a uniform, but I don't think they can dress code me on the last day of school, right? Risk takeover here. Okay, I'm gonna go make some breakfast really quick because I'm really late to school. Guys, my mom left me post-it notes. That's so cute. You could be here, but you're not. I get whatever you want, but you just take it and run. You run, and I give you so many shots. I'm really sad right now, but it's okay. MyYoutubePaige, shout out me. We're gonna collab soon. Just you guys wait. Don't look at the viewfinder. I never look at it. Hey vlog. How can you let Julia? I'm back.
Put on campus next year. Don't forget
there will be an acknowledgement of your wonderful high school chapter.
This is our senior patio, guys. Hey guys, we're about to sign a fence. Yep. And get where we have it. You want to get in it? Yeah.
No ED.
There I am. And then here's Blake's. Aw. Twins. They have a Habit truck and we got free burgers. Last class. I'm in the bathroom, by the way, right now because I didn't want to vlog in front of my class. Vlog in the bathroom.
Can we be in your vlog?
Yeah, Matt, hi.
Hi. Last day of school.
Everyone subscribe to Matt.
We're gonna be seeing Paige or Julia again until a long
Yes,
time.
you are.
Hi.
Matt and I work out all the time together.
We're gonna get pedicures and manicures.
Yeah. Okay guys, I am in the carpool line waiting to leave. That was so much fun. We had a huge party in the senior quad. My camera is also destroyed from apple cider, so I hope it's not ruined. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.